Perkenalkan, nama saya Filda Wandayanti. Di sini saya akan membacakan dari teks yang telah disediakan, di mana di dalam teks tersebut terdapat subjek, verb, preposition, clause, dan parallel structure. Langsung saja saya akan membacakan kalimat yang pertama, yaitu private in an international school make it a priority to offer a wide array of extracurricular activities accessible up to all students, regardless of inclination and performance, although there are parents who can be average to their children's finding to make them engaging in sport, performing arts, community works and arts, education experts and are starting that varying learners experience from a young age improve the academic, social, and emotional mindset. Private and international school sebagai subjek, A sebagai verb, of inclination sebagai proposition, all student regardless of inclination and performance disebut sebagai independent clause, although sebagai konektor, there are sebagai foreign who can be offered sebagai dependent clause, engaging in sports, performing arts, community works, and art education sebagai parallel structure. Kalimat yang kedua yaitu physical and mental development. Sport help refine a young person motor skill and cognitive function, ensuring that they develop on track and maximally. Don't worry about bruises and bumps. Children are designed to recover quickly from injuries. This also teaches them resilience to get up and try again, and the importance of teamwork in the case of sport and or projects. Furthermore, sports and out of classroom activities are powerful learning experiences where students can develop their precision, motivation, and team management. These are perfect opportunity for young people to practice and hone a variety of skills in a casual environment as they go through the different level of education and effectively the working world. Sports sebagai subjek, art sebagai verb, out of sebagai preposition. Di kalimat ini tidak memiliki clause, dan resilience to get up and try again sebagai parallel structure. Lanjut saya membacakan kalimat yang ketiga, yaitu emotional intelligence and soft skill. Observe and extracurricular clubs, meeting and activity, and you will notice the immense amount of interpersonal communication and leadership play that take place. Modern day education raise voice for IQ and resilience in the face of failure over IQ and extracurricular activities are an excellent catalyst for improvement in these areas. As children debate, speak, public, and work together as a team, they develop empathy, which is a crux of success in adult life without broadening the pervasive experience. Learning opportunities also boost self-esteem. They are opening experiences and young people with a sense of belonging, which is supported by a web of close friendship among schoolmates who are sharing the same experiences. Extracurricular clubs sebagai subjek, you will sebagai verb, develop empathy sebagai dependent clause, is sebagai konektor, crew up schooling merupakan dependent clause, face of failure, over IQ, and extracurricular sebagai viral structure. Lanjut dengan kalimat yang keempat, yaitu self-discovery. We all excel with different styles of learning. It's undeniable that different people do better in different academic subjects too, which is why students must be exposed to a variety of light. Introducing your student or child to a broad spread of activities also enables them to discover well their interests and strengths. Leave a student to like with academic subject might become their world's next motor, raising confidence, or they might wish discover a passion for Dharma. W sebagai subjek, is sebagai verb of learning merupakan preposition. Di kalimat ini tidak memiliki clause. Raising confidence or they might we discover a passion. Drama merupakan viral structure. Lanjut, saya akan membacakan kalimat yang kelima, yaitu tentang the needs for breaks. Experience the energies they mean before indoor classes and studying. Resume studying who express frequently have been found to enjoy good mental health with words of common condition like preservation and equity. Should student a break from mundanity and wax them uncover lesson they are not or cannot be taught in the classroom. Extracurricular activity also have limited TV, computer, and smartphone screen time. Excise sebagai subjek, benefit sebagai verb, before sebagai preposition, student who expresses sebagai independent clause, have been sebagai konektor, got mental health sebagai dependent, limit TV, komputer, and smartphone merupakan parallel structure. Lanjut dengan kalimat yang keenam, yaitu school trip and excursion. Nowadays, many schools organize trips locally, regional, and internationally. This trip offer many advantages, including exposure to different cultures, becoming independent, socializing with peers outside of school, and learning new things, especially internet trip. Besides trip, outdoor activities and camping have been found to instill confidence and to encourage children to try new experiences. Activities like hiking, swimming, skiing, kayaking, and just being close to nature is good for health and allows children to be free, learn life skill, and bond with their friends outside the confines of a classroom. School sebagai subjek, di kalimat ini tidak memiliki verbs. Outside of sebagai preposition, close to nature sebagai independent clause, got sebagai konektor, for health sebagai dependent, hiking, swimming, skiing sebagai viral structure. Lanjut dengan kalimat yang terakhir, yaitu well-rounded learners. Don't hold your children back from the multitude of soft skills that extracurricular activities can help them harness. Research had proven that trial, problem solving, teamwork, and public speaking are far more important in adult life than strength as an book smart. A varied spirit and a compliment and experiences makes for an immersive university application and resume and eventually an accomplished adults. Children sebagai subjek di kalimat ini tidak memiliki verb. Of sebagai preposition tidak memiliki clause. Infranciship, university application, and resume, and eventually adalah sebagai parallel structure. Hanya ini dapat saya sampaikan. Mohon maaf jika banyak kesalahan. Kurang lebihnya saya ucapkan terima kasih.